Hey guys, Darren here. Welcome to Mayhem Country Living. Hope you guys are doing okay wherever it is that you are. I'll show you what we are working on, just as luck would have it. It is one of the front steering tires on the zero turn mower. I have had this tire deflated 3 times. Every time I have cut the grass. And there's no problem with the tire. It's the tire and the rim connecting. It's an older tire and rim. The mower is 4 years old, and so everything on it's 4 years old. I bought it new. But sometimes you have to use the big stuff. I'll show you. A lot of people don't know about this, oddly enough. This is bead sealer, which is a liquid rubber, and it forms a solid seal between the rim and the tire. Why does this matter? Riding mowers, tractors, anything that has a tire that has air on a homestead, eventually you'll need some of this stuff. This, 16 bucks. Last time I bought it, it was $8. Now, I will say this is the second jar of this I have ever bought in my life. I'm 57 years old. So that tells you how long this stuff lasts. You don't need it until you need it. And you can try axle grease. Sometimes that works. Sometimes it doesn't. About a third of the time it works for me. But what this is, it's an adhesive rubber liquid, and I'll show you. And you just jam it down between the rim and the tire, and then you air it up quickly, and it sets. And as long as the tire doesn't go flat, you'll have a positive seal all the way around the rim of the tire on both sides, because well, you want to do both sides anyway. So more to come. I'll show you. All right, guys, it comes with its own brush, and that is what it looks like. And you just begin to apply it, jam it down between the rim and the tire. Do not get any on the welcome mat, because the wife would be really mad about that. And so hang on, you'll have to be with me the whole time, because I can't turn this off right now. The reason I have it so close inside the house is because I don't have an outside outlet, and I've got the tire inflator. I don't have the compressor. I don't want to bother and hook all that up. So there we go. Good grief. Makes a mess. We're going to get a paper towel and wipe all that up, just because it's inside the house. And outside doesn't matter. It'll just pick up dirt, leaves, debris. Anyway, more to come. Okay, guys, now we're back. So there you go. Just so you know, it says on these, the front steer tires for the zero turns, it says not to inflate over 42 psi. That's a little much. I do about 10 on both of mine. So I don't know. I might be wrong. You see it kind of bulges out a little bit, and I've done that for 4 years. But of course, someone can say, well, this happens. Way it is. But in a pinch, when nothing else works, this stuff will last you a very, very long time. Like I said, I'm 57. I bought 2 tubs of this in my lifetime. And that's in a 30-year span of working on equipment. These tractors, riding mowers, tillers, all that good stuff. Zero turns. Take care of your people, guys. Sometimes you got to work on something to work on something. Take care of your people.